Hello guys, it's Oscar here from PSFever.com, and in today's tutorial I'd like to show you how you can install Prestashop onto your computer so you don't need a domain and hosting right away. You don't need to buy that. You can simply follow this tutorial, install Prestashop on your computer, see if you like it, see if it fits you, and then you can decide whether Prestashop is the right solution for you. Before we start, I'd like to apologize as English is not my first language. I'm trying my best, but I might be making some mistakes, so please bear with me. Okay, so let's get right to it. If you want to install PrestaShop on your computer, you need three things. You need MySQL, Apache, and PHP. What this means is, for users like me, it's more common to install package such as you can see right now, XAMPP. It's called XAMPP. It's a package that contains already everything that you'll need. It contains A as Apache, M, MySQL, P, PHP. So by installing XAMPP on your PC or on your computer, you have all the things necessary for PrestaShop. I'm not going I'm not going through the installation of XAMPP. There are plenty of tutorials on YouTube, and it would be just redundant or also a little bit of waste of time. So right now I already have installed XAMPP on my computer, which is important, and I can access it by typing into my browser localhost slash xampp, and this gets us right to the screen. And then what we will need is the current version of PrestaShop, which you can find on the official site of PrestaShop. I will include all the links in the description below, so just scroll down and you can download everything with just a few clicks. And okay, I have already downloaded the PrestaShop folder before, and I have already everything installed. So what we will need right now is a new database for our PrestaShop. So on the screen where we are on the default screen of XAMPP, we'll click on PHP Admin, and this gets us to the administration of the database. What we'll need to do here is to create a new database by clicking on the new button in the left column, and we will name our database. We can name it whatever we want to. So shop. I know it's not original. And escalation, we will scroll right down below and select the UTF general. Okay, so our database called shop has been just created, which is good. And now we'll need to move our PrestaShop. This is the installation folder, and we'll need to move it into the XAMPP folder. So I'll open my computer, disk C, XAMPP, and here we open the htdocs folder and simply press Ctrl X, Ctrl V, and we will move the folder right there. I'm sorry, my installation of Windows 7 is in check as well. So yeah, that's about it. Okay, so we have successfully moved the folder PrestaShop into the htdocs folder, and what this means is that right now when we type localhost / PrestaShop into our browser, it brings us right to this folder, right to the content of this folder, which redirects us right now to the installation folder. I don't know why I have this in German. It seems to be like a multi-language tutorial of some sort. Okay, so this is the installation of PrestaShop. Here you can select language, whatever that might be. We'll select English and click on the next button. Here you have to go through the license agreements it's not as long as it looks, and then you click on the I agree to the above terms and conditions, and then the next button again. Okay, we have skipped the system compatibility part because we fulfill all the requirements by Prestashop apparently, and we're in the fourth step of the installation called store information. Here you can fill out the basic information about your shop, so we will name our shop default, I guess. The main activity would be computer hardware and software, and as country I will select Czech Republic because that's where, oh, maybe not. Uh, because I can select Czech Republic, but what this does is that it automatically installs Czech language into the administration. So I might just stick with the United States. This will install uh, only the English. Oh, I have never seen this before. Let's just choose US Central. Okay, and right down here below, this is quite important because here you're creating the administrator account. So let me just create a new account with first name would be first, last name would be last, and email address would be my email address, and as password we will choose just something random, just password. I know it's stupid, but it's only for test purposes. This shop will be only on my computer, so it doesn't really matter what we choose right now as the password. I will unclick the sign up to the newsletter because I am already signed up with this email, and here's where an important part comes in. This is why we have created database before, and we will be using the information based on this database to make a connection between the Prestashop installation and the database. This is a cool feature. If we click right now on the green button, we'll see. Oh, that the database is already connected. Okay. This is not what I wanted to achieve. What I wanted to show you is that when you fill out something, when we, for example, choose a password right now, and we click on the Test Your Database Connection Now button, you will see that it automatically checks whether Prestashop is able to connect to the database or not. Okay, just quick note. Here we choose database server as localhost. Database name is the database we've created before. Is this Prestashop database right here? Which, oh wait, this is no, it's not. This is a database I've created before for a previous installation. We wanted the shop database. I'm sorry. Yes, this is more like it because the database shop is currently empty. So instead of database name Prestashop, we select database name shop as this is the database where we want to put our data in. And the database login is root, and database password is currently none, as this is the default settings there is in the MySQL or in the PHP Admin Settings. If you really want to change the settings, you will need to go to the XAMPP folder again, click on PHP Admin, open the config file, and here you can see that the user is defined as root and the password is defined as non-existent, I'd say. So if you wanted to change it to your name and a password, you can change it here. You have to save it then and restart MySQL through the XAMPP control panel, because otherwise it wouldn't change a damn thing. Okay, so we're probably set good to go to another step. Last field here is table prefix. What this does is that it creates a prefix for every single table you have in Prestashop. The default one is PS underscored. We can choose just shop underscored, and I will show you right away what this does. And we can click on next. Yes, the installation is in progress, and you can see that the database should not be empty anymore, and new tables are being created right now as the installation is going on. And as we chose the shop underscored as prefix, this is the name of the table, and this is the prefix it has. Just FYI. This will probably take a while, so I will come back to you right as it finishes. Okay, I'm back, and as you can see, Prestashop installation is finished. This is the screen you will see right after the successful installation of Prestashop, with links both to back office and to front office. And here an important note: for security purposes you must delete the install folder, because as you can see we can click on the back office manage store right now, and you will see this note: for security reasons you cannot connect to the back office until after you have deleted the install folder. So we will go to the folder of Prestashop we've just installed in XAMPP htdocs Prestashop, and here is the install folder which we will delete like so. And right now you can see that instead of the message we saw before, we can see a login form, so we will type our information in. Oscar at psfever.com, and if you forgot the password, don't worry, because you can go back to this screen, and here clicking on display you can see that we've chosen the most original password ever password. And by clicking on login, we are in the back office of Prestashop, which is great. And here we can click on view my shop link, and it will redirect us to the front office of Prestashop. So here is a well-known default Prestashop template, and that's about it, because we've successfully installed Prestashop on our localhost, which you can see right here that I'm not connected to the internet, so I'm not cheating in any way. Also, my internet provider has just cut me off the internet, which is, you know, great. But anyway, that's all I had for this tutorial, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.